In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new contact group in Outlook. Creating contact groups is a fantastic way to efficiently manage communications, especially if you frequently send emails to multiple recipients. Let's dive straight into the process. First, you'll want to head over to Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're using the desktop app or accessing it online, make sure you're in the right place to follow along. Once you've opened Outlook, you'll notice a sign-in option at the top right corner of the page. Click on this to proceed. Next, you'll need to sign in with your email and password. Ensure you have access to the email account you intend to use for creating your contact group. Once you're signed in and ready to go, look to the left side of the interface. You'll see a section labeled People. Click on it and this will direct you to where you can manage your contacts in Outlook. Now direct your attention to the New Contact drop-down option. It's usually near the top of the page, giving you various options to manage your contacts. Click on this drop-down and you'll see an option to create a new contact list. This is exactly what we're looking for. After selecting New Contact List, a new window will pop up with a few fields to fill in. This is where you get to name your contact list. Choose a name that's intuitive for you and makes it easy to remember what the group is about. Perhaps it's a work project group, a family email list, or a committee for an event. Make sure the name is clear and serves its purpose well. With the name in place, the next step is to add your contacts. Start typing the names or email addresses of the people you want to include in your new group. Outlook may suggest contacts based on what you've previously used. Simply click to add them to your list, ensuring you've included everyone necessary. Once you've compiled your contact list and double checked it's just as you want it, there's one final step to wrap things up. Look for the Create button, usually at the bottom of the window. Clicking this will finalize your new contact group. From here on, whenever you need to send an email to this entire group, you can easily do so by using your newly created contact list. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a contact group in Outlook, streamlining your communication and saving time. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from this Outlook feature. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.